let's go to public comment. Do we have any public comment this evening?
Yes, and something that we're gonna start doing this new fiscal year is reading the public comment guidelines. So I'm gonna be doing that now. The Board of Directors welcomes public participation and values input from our community. If you have signed up to give public input tonight, please, we kindly ask that you follow the following guidelines. Each speaker has up to 3 minutes to speak. The board will note comments that require follow-up, but please be aware that the board does not respond or take action during public comment in order to maintain adherence to our governance process. If you have handouts or written comments, please submit them to me, the board liaison, prior to the meeting so they can be shared with the board. To protect privacy, the board cannot discuss specific individuals or cases during public comment. We follow Robert's Rules of Order to ensure the meeting remains fair, focused, and organized. Our meetings provide transparency and access to public information. We follow both state guidelines and our own standards for accountability. Thank you, and the person that we have signed up for tonight is Mr. Carl Argila. Go ahead.
Hi, Erica. Can I find out if my audio is working?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. Greetings again, board. My name is Carl Argila. I am the father of Cavan Argila, an intellectually disabled deaf client of the San Gabriel Pomona Regional Center. Tonight's board meeting, including my comments, are being recorded under the provisions of the Bagley-Keene Act and will be posted for public review on my blog at www.sgprc.net. I note on your agenda that the law firm of Enright and Ogletree will be conducting a training session this evening. This law firm has been providing services to the San Gabriel Pomona Regional Center for at least 25 years. Former Executive Director Keith Penman used Judith Enright as a tool to attack his critics at taxpayers' expense. Our family was one of his targets. It is unimaginable to think of how many vulnerable lives have been devastated by this law firm over the past quarter century. Please see my blog post entitled, "Who is Judith Enright and Why Should You Care?" on my blog at www.sgprc.net. I filed a WIC 4731 complaint against the San Gabriel Pomona Regional Center and its vendor for your failure to provide a communication accessible environment at your so-called deaf house. My son, Cavan Argila, is involuntarily a resident at that facility. The situation has been ongoing for more than 2 years. Your vendor has made numerous promises to hire American Sign Language fluent staff. However, those promises have not yet been fulfilled. Now I ask that the San Gabriel Pomona Regional Center step in to provide a communication accessible environment for your deaf residents, including my son. My son has now had 2 meetings with the so-called executive director's designee, Patricia Rambo. Ms. Rambo was involved with my son's case under the Penman administration. We do not trust Ms. Rambo to be unbiased in her role as the executive director's designee for my son's conservatorship. We are requesting that Dr. Weller appoint another person to serve as his designee for my son. Once again, board, I am requesting that you terminate your conservatorship of my son, Cavan Argila. As you know, my son has clearly stated that he did not want to be conserved by you. My son has clearly stated that he wants his family to be his conservator. And just a reminder, any parent who hears my voice tonight should take note. No matter how consumer-friendly the San Gabriel Pomona Regional Center may appear to be, ultimately they have the power to become your child's conservator and ruin your life. Please assure that the official minutes of this board meeting accurately state my comments and that I am requesting that the San Gabriel Pomona Regional Center terminate their conservatorship of my son, Cavan Argila. Thank you for your attention, Board.